Hi guys. So do you know you can actually lock your apps on your phone? Like apart from your WhatsApp that everybody knows, yeah, you can lock WhatsApp. You can also lock your Instagram, your Facebook, your YouTube, your Threads, your Twitter, any app at all on your phone, even your phone call app. You can lock any app at all on your phone. And in this video, I'll be showing you how to do that. So if you've not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. Don't also forget to comment. So now let's start. First, you go to your shortcuts. So after opening your shortcuts, you click on automation and then you click on create personal automation, and then you scroll down to app where you see app. So you just click on it and then you click on choose app. That's app, then choose. Then you can choose whatever app you want to log. I'll be using Facebook and Instagram for this video, so you can decide to choose as many as you want. So you can just decide to choose one. Also, it depends on how you want it. Then you click on next and you wait for it to bring this out. Then you click on add action. So when you click on add action to bring out something like this, and just search for timer. So when you search for timer, you just click on start timer, and when you click on start timer, you can set the timer to 1 second, so that immediately somebody opens those app, immediately they open, they close back immediately until you bring your face, like asking for your face ID or something like that. So you click on 1 second and you click on next. So now hold on, we're almost done. So it's you, when you click on next, you see something like this. So all you need to do is to just click on what's it called, done, and then to bring out something like this, then you click on it and you're going to see this. Then you toggle off ask before requiring, remove it, just click on don't ask, and then you go down to you go back to set your timer. So now you have to set your timer so that the action would know when to start. So just click on your timer and then you scroll down and you click on stop playing, so that immediately somebody what's it called, opens your Facebook or any of those apps you locked. Once it is 1 second, it will close back and ask for your face ID. So it is just you that can open those apps. So now you know you can actually lock other apps apart from your WhatsApp. So feel free to share this video with your friends so that they'll also know how to lock other apps if they want to. And also let me know in the comment section if you want to be seeing more videos like this. Don't forget to like if you actually like this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Don't forget to check out our other videos because we have interesting content. Have an amazing day. Bye. See you on my next video. All right.